Chapter 12 Soil. Learning objectives: formation of soil, layers of soil, types of soil, soil erosion, soil conservation. Soil is the topmost layer of the earth's surface. It is important to all forms of life on earth. It consists of sand, humus, water and air. Formation of soil. Earlier, the surface of the earth was covered with rocks. There was no soil on the earth. Then heated the rocks and the rain made them cold. This continued for thousands of years. Due to the changes in the weather, the rocky surface began to crack. The fast-flowing rain and river water entered the cracks and broke the rocks into smaller pieces. These further became fine due to action of air and water, and thus soil was formed. This process is called weathering. After the soil formation, tiny plants started growing on it. When plants and animals died, they became a part of the soil. Fact time. The study of soil is called pedology. Layers of soil. Soil is made up of different layers. These are topsoil. Soil in the upper layer is soft and loose and is called topsoil. It is dark in color and has remains of dead plants and animals. These remains are called humus and they make soil fertile and good for growing crops. Subsoil. The soil below the topsoil has a lighter color. It has more sand in it and also has some small stones. Bedrock. The bedrock is found below the subsoil. It is mainly made up of rocks. The upper rocks are soft and porous, while the rocks located at below are hard and non-porous. Water can pass through the porous rocks, but not through the non-porous rocks. Types of soil. Soil varies in color, texture and composition. There are three types of soil: sandy, clayey and loamy. Sandy soil consists of big sand particles. It is dry and light. It does not hold much water. Clay soil is composed of very fine particles. It is sticky in nature and can hold a lot of water. Loamy soil is a mixture of sand and clay. It can hold air and water. It contains humus. Soil erosion. Soil erosion means a slow and steady loss of the soil layer. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. Soil erosion increases when we cut down trees, strong winds blows, we do not grow crops using the correct methods, it rains heavily. Soil conservation. Soil forming is an ongoing process. Some soil takes hundreds or thousands of years to form, but it takes much less time to wear away. So it is important to protect it from erosion. The protection of soil against erosion is called soil conservation. Let's read about some measures to conserve soil. Different types of crops should be grown in the same field to maintain the fertility of soil. Such a practice is called crop rotation. Rather than planting crops in straight, vertical rows, crops are planted following the contour of the landscape. Crops planted up and down hillside create pathways for water to flow. Hence prevents soil erosion. More trees should be planted to replace the ones that are cut down. Bushes and trees should be planted in open lands. River flooding should be stopped by making embankments and dams. Keywords: soil erosion, the carrying away of the top fertile layer of the soil, Soil conservation, the prevention of soil from erosion. At a glance, soil, formation, weathering, layers, topsoil, subsoil, bedrock, types, sandy, clayey, loamy, soil erosion, causes by cutting down trees, strong winds, heavy rains, soil conservation, measures, crop rotation, embankments, dams.